Hi, I'm Vito, and today we need a old Christmas tree from last year that is small, and we need a watering can filled up with water with it, and we need a brand new pot. We need some compost, and we need a spade or a trowel. So, oh, come on. First, we need some stones at the bottom of the pot. So, welcome back. It's nice to see you. Now we're going to put the stones or glass or broken glass or bits into the brand new pot. But I'm using stones. And they go right out the bottom. Now we've done the stones, we are going to put the compost in the brand new pot, and then we're going to put the tree in, and then we're going to put more, and then water it. Welcome back again. Now we're going to put the old Christmas tree that is young into the brand new pot. But we need to take the old pot out. Look at those roots, they're very big, so they need to go in a bigger pot. So the roots are nice and big, aren't they? Look at them. They're nice and growing well. And if we put this into the plant pot and feed it nicely and make it grow nice, this tree could be grown for hundreds of years, maybe. One, two, three. And now we've lowered the Christmas tree into the new pot. Now we're going to put even some more compost into the Christmas tree, but this time with this one, like fun. Don't even know if there's going to be enough. Welcome back. This is the last part now. We need to pat it, and it's nice and smooth. We need to pat it all around and really do it. And now we're going to water it, and then it'll be nice and it will last for years and years and years and years and years, all the way until we're done. And it needs a lot of water. So, thanks for joining us today. So that's how you plant a Christmas tree that is very small and young. And I don't know how well you're doing at planting, and I hope you start to do this with your dad as well soon. Bye bye.